Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm making a baked crayfish thermidor. It's a very simple recipe and you can serve it as either a starter or even a main meal with some other accompaniments. You can also keep your shells and bake it in your shell. I'm doing it in a casserole today, but the method is basically the same. I've preheated my oven at 180 degrees. I've drizzled a little bit of olive oil to the base of my pan and I'm now just adding my cleaned crayfish. Next, I'm going to season with some fresh lemon, half a lemon, followed by pepper, a sprinkle of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. Make sure to switch your timer on. It only needs 10 minutes at 180 degrees. And while our crayfish is grilling, we're going to start making our Thermidor sauce. I've added a heaped tablespoon of butter. And as soon as your butter starts to melt, you can add half a teaspoon of ground garlic. Allow your garlic to release its flavors and then add a tablespoon of flour. Whisk your flour together with the butter and your garlic. It needs to cook, and after a few minutes we can start adding the rest of our ingredients. Add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, followed by 2 tablespoons of double thick cream. Keep whisking. And even if it starts to separate, don't worry, we are still going to add a dash of milk. It will all start to combine and form a creamy bechamel sauce, which is the foundation or the base of our thermidor. Next, I'm seasoning with a little bit of pepper, a touch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of Parmesan cheese. You can even use Gruyere cheese. Don't add too much of salt because the cheese is salty itself. I'm also adding a pinch of sweetener. You can use any sweetener of your choice. We're now ready to check on our crayfish that's in the oven. Our 10 minutes is up. Cut your crayfish into bite-sized pieces, and once you're done, ensure you saute it in all the sauce that's left behind on your roasting tray. You want to incorporate all of that flavor into our final dish. Toss your crayfish into your Thermidor sauce. A classic Thermidor sauce usually has an alcohol base, sometimes wine, cognac, or even sherry. Give everything a slight mix, and then I'm going to add it to my casserole. Again, make sure your oven is preheated. Once you're done, you can sprinkle some breadcrumbs or some Parmesan. I'm just using Parmesan today. And we're going to grill for at least 2 to 5 minutes until there's a slight browning on the surface. And when we reach the last 4 to 5 minutes, garnish with some fresh parsley and leave it for a final minute. And there you go, a baked crayfish thermidor. You can use the shells of your crayfish and use the same exact filling and grill it all together if you want to do a presentation as an individual crayfish for each person. Or you can serve it just like this as a starter, or together with some garlic bread and a fresh salad as a main meal. This is a very decadent, rich meal, so it's beautifully paired with some fresh salad, crisp fresh salad, as well as some garlic bread on the side. Add some lemon slices and you have a delicious 5-star meal ready for your family. I hope you try this recipe. As usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's kitchen. Have a lovely day.